Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's guide, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to deposit money on your Robinhood account in 2025. Whether you're just getting started with investing or simply topping up your balance, this process is quick, secure, and beginner friendly. So let's jump right straight into it. First, open our Robinhood app on your mobile device or login into your account on the web. Make sure signing into the correct profile where you want to fund the deposit. Once you're in, tap the account icon on the bottom right corner of the app, or click on your profile icon if you're on the desktop. From there, look for transfers or transfer to Robinhood. Now, you will be asked to link your account if you haven't already. Select Add Account and then choose your bank from the list. Robinhood uses Play to securely connect with your bank. So, all you have to do is log into your online banking username and password. If Play doesn't support your bank, you can enter your routing and account number manually, but it might take 1 to 2 business days to verify with a micro deposits. Once your bank account is connected, select the amount of money you want to deposit. You can choose from present amounts or enter a custom amount, whether it's a $10 or $10,000. Robinhood will process it securely. Select Review, double check the amount in the source, then tap Submit or Confirm. If your account is verified and in a good standing, Robinhood will often give you instant access to up to like $1,000 of that deposit, even if it hasn't fully cleared yet. And that's it. Your funds will be on their way. You can check the status of your transfer anytime under Transfer tab or your account history. One quick tips. If you set up a recurring deposit, Robinhood will automatically move your money from the bank to your account on a schedule you set, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, helping you stay consistent with investing. Alright guys, that's how to deposit money under Robinhood the easiest way in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button, drop your questions below, and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step finance and investing guides. See you in the next one.